Hey guys, so about like we have a city siege, like city defense in one day. It's already you can see this. Okay, so for maximizing your overall strength, first thing first, if you want any recommendation on formation, please message me. Request for formation. Second thing, if you have got your talent unlocked, tap on talent. If you had any skills, please use reset talent and reset the skills and increase the spot as much as you can. Okay, I'll tell you about farming and growing after city siege. Okay, also for research, remember to research well because research helps a lot. Like here, this is my research. You can see I have maximized my troop size to like 300 additional troops, and now infantry attack is going on because I don't have that much uh, meteoric iron. So yeah, this is my research for this one. This is domestic technology. Please improve this one so you could like research fast, and this one so your construction speed will be increased. Apart from this, don't forget to upgrade your troop training camps, all four. You can see at level 12 you get level 4 troops, level 15 level 5 troops, and level 18 level 6 troops. And this helps a lot during fight because the high level troops will have an advantage. Apart from this, you will have this field of honor. Names might be different for different civilization, but you could just get what I'm telling. This place where you can see all your parade, like how many troops you have. Okay, so please make sure you have enough troops to fight, like at least 40k for each. When you go on detail, you can see that it increases your troop size, so this should be equal to your castle level. Okay, and don't forget to upgrade this. Like Great Pyramid is basically like rescue rescue house. When you get attacked on your castle, you can get some troops from here. Okay, and yeah, this was pretty much with troop. And about heroes, try to use gold and red heroes. And like when you go the first option, the archers, these are heroes which you have to give attack skills. Second one, infantry, you have to give a HP boost. This one, fourth one, it's cavalry, you have to give defense skills to them. And like last one is siege, which is also attack. Like you can see even I did that. Defense, like defense or
من
HP
ينطلق
both
نحو
works for them.
المشؤون عليه الرضا
Evasion
بالمغامرة وحيدا.
is like it blocks all the damages, so it takes time to upgrade. But I gave it to Sindbad, so because this skill works with his first skill very good. Like it helps a lot during fight. So this is about troop. And okay, so and from order you are also getting like this is what we get from order. I'm not currently upgrading attack and defense because we will be needing to make our order level 10, level 8, sorry, so we could have more number of cities. From treasury you can buy like speed ups and resources like iron and meteoric iron and silver, and also like 10 fragments. So whatever is your from your need, you should take that. Apart from this, those who have been fighting, so you got a lot of feats, so you can get speed ups and resources from here also. Same goes for market. Don't forget to go to market, because you could exchange a lot of things you need when you want the like speed ups and other things. And also they are like for 120k it gives you 150k silvers. Like I already bought them. And also if you have 1,000 contribution, you could buy Astral Assassin Blueprint, the ship. So it will take 20 per uh, blueprint, so you need total 50. So if you have a 1000 contribution here, then please buy 50 and construct your vehicle. Also from this I also remember, please upgrade your cabinets too if you have, and appoint heroes to them also. Okay, so this was it for like some time. I'll tell I'll make a second part when the limit goes up and new things are added.